Thank you for visiting Wilkins Harley-Davidson. We received several 2023 models. This one here is going to be your 2023 Street Glide Special. Beautiful color scheme this year. We have bright billiard blue with the billiard gray and a red pinstripe on here. As you can see, it does have all of the blacked out finishes. It is going to come with your 114 cubic inch motor, your blacked out Prodigy wheels, and a whole host of safety features for you. So this one here does include the RDRS for those safety features. That's going to include a tire pressure monitoring system, anti-lock brakes, and a whole lot more. We recommend you just come down, check out some new colors, see what we have available for you, see what's going to fit for you for the upcoming season. We are really excited to have these. We do have several other ones in stock as well, so if you're just looking at colors or you want to get an idea for what the motor company has to offer this year, we have some great options for you. So if you have any questions on this or any other bikes you see in the showroom, please feel free to give us a call at 802-476-6104. Thanks.